people, if they have a certain amount of body fat, they don't like if it's a little higher on the spectrum, they probably are not going to perform that well sometimes, right? Give or take. But then if you're too low on that spectrum, you're not going to perform that well either. Like I remember, like we've all seen Wolverine and X-Men and shit. I remember there's a story about Hugh Jackman talking about for him. There's a scene where he comes out the water and he's shredded, like he's like vascular, he's like skin tight,
Yeah,
and he was like, dude, I was like in my trailer for all day, right the day before. I couldn't even walk until I had to shoot that scene, and then I was back in bed sleeping and just feeling like dog shit, you know. So it really depends. If you are trying to get really really lean, typically it's not like sub 10% most of the time. Your performance isn't going to be as good as if you are maybe a little bit higher, but it's always going to be different. It's always going to be based on the individual. But generally speaking, if you're like super shredded, super lean,